Okay guys, so I shampooed my hair as you can see. Normal shampoo, normal conditioner, that's it. Then I put on a little of bone straights. Bone straight. A small little. That's it. Then I section my hair into 4 pieces with elastics. The reason why I use elastics on wet hair, I am careful because it can break off your hair, but if I use normal elastics, then all my pom-poms and elastics are wet, so this can't get wet. This is like armbands, but I use it as my headbands and stuff. So yeah, let's section. The front section will be from here. You will see why. Whoa! On each section I will add mousse, because this product keeps the curls in, like keeps the curls in. Let's check. Here we go. Second last trick, and I will twist it like this. Oh no, let's toss it in. I want this effect, if you can see what I mean. Yes, so it's this, and that is it. I look like I don't even know what I look like. So step 1, wash your hair as normal, shampoo and conditioner. Dry your hair a bit, it mustn't be too wet or too dry. Step number 1, I use bone straight. That small amount, give it like 5 minutes. Then you can part your hair whichever way you want the curls to come out. If you want from here the curls, and then this way. If you want the curls in the middle, you can. Then I will make it into a whole lot of ones. At the back of my hair, I won't really use a comb. I will just use my free hand. It's just in front now and then. Then it's time to go sleep. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's the next day. So I'm going to show you how I take out one of these. Just one, and then by a click of my finger, I'll be done. I'll add a little makeup and obviously a nice outfit. So let me show you one. Let me show you. And that is it. This is the end product. I just added a little bit of normal makeup, and then I took out The only problem with this is when you do make the buns, you have to basically put on mousse or a little gel the morning again to close the lines or the parts you made. I hope I'm speaking right, my English is not good. Like all the parts you made with the comb, you have to close it up. So this is how it looks. Do you understand now why I made the part here? To get the side effect, basically. Also, one of my subscribers commented on my wall on Facebook regarding what you can do with cruise hair. I don't know why I said cruise hair, because there's nothing wrong with this hair. Shout out to you, Lolo. This is how I make my pussy cup curls. This is the video I was speaking about. So even if you have short hair or a little hair, you can still do this. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Until next time.